Now, I will tell you about these 5 fingers. Everybody say body, mind, intelligence, soul, all that is. Body, mind, intelligence, soul, all that is. Okay. Now, we exist in 5 dimensions. We exist as a body, we exist as a mind, we exist as an intelligence, we exist as a soul, and we exist as all that is. Here we are gods. Here we are physical bodies. Here we are mind. You know, mind. I am a Hindu, I am a Muslim, I am a Christian, I am a Shudra, I am a Kshatriya, I am a Shia, I am a Sunni. This is all mind. Whenever you use those terms, your mind, you are incarnating as your mind. Intelligence is the sum total of your experience. Supposing on Sunday the streets are very free, that is use of your intelligence. Okay, because you have seen many Sundays that there is no traffic, all other people are happily sleeping at home. Now you can travel, you use your intelligence. Intelligence is the result of your experience. Okay. Body. From where did you get your body? From parents. Good. From where did you get your mind? Hindu mind, Christian mind, Islamic mind, communist mind, atheistic mind, scientific mind, non-scientific mind, from your society. If you are born, even if you are born to Hindu parents, as a 2-month-old baby, if you are taken to some Islamic country raised by Islamic parents, then you will have an Islamic mind. Not parents. Parents have no role. Wherever you are brought up, that is the society which gives you the mind. Intelligence, all your experiences in this lifetime and past lifetimes, the sum total of that is your intelligence. Understand? Kauravas' intelligence is different, Pandavas' intelligence is different, because their past lives are different. Their current life is different. Okay? They are born to the same genetic family, but they differ. So, this soul is forever. Soul is forever. Now, this is spiritual science. I am speaking in 5 fingers. Soul comes from all that is. Okay. Now, of all these fingers, 4 fingers are one side, 1 finger is this side. Okay. All that is like, it is not connected to you. You are here, these connected. Soul, intelligence, mind and body. Now these 2, mind over body. Mind rules the body. Understand? If you want to become old, you will become old. If you want to die, your heart will stop. If you don't want to die, your heart will start working very well. Mind over matter. Body, boss is mind. You see the fingers. And mind and intelligence, which is the bigger finger? This one. So, intelligence is the boss over mind. But there are not very big differences there. Slight differences there. Okay. Now, body does not go by intelligence. Body goes by the mind. Mind goes by the body, goes by the intelligence. Intelligence goes by the mind, goes by the Atma. Okay. When you are a small baby, when you are going to primary school, you told your teacher, teacher, I want. Say, go. We know this is body. Okay. When 2 people get married, the ring finger, this is the mind. 2 minds should meet. So this is the ring finger. This is the middle finger. Buddhi is the middle finger, middle path. Where there is no middle path, there is no buddhi. There is no intelligence. Yes or no? That's why the middle finger is for buddhi. This is the ring finger for mind. The little finger is for body. Now, what's your name? Huh? Varsha. Okay. Now I will call Varsha. Varsha, come. Varsha. Can I use this finger? Varsha. No? Varsha. Varsha. Why not? Any finger we can use. But we don't use, we use only this finger. This is Varsha, soul. Hey, Varsha, come. You see. Index finger. The soul is represented by the index finger, not by this finger. Body, this finger. Mind, this finger. Intelligence, this finger. Varshas, this finger, not this finger. This is all that is. Again say loudly. Body, mind, intelligence, soul, all that is. Kumbhakarna, Ravana, Vibhishana, Hanuman, Sri Rama. Kumbhakarna always body, eating and sleeping. Ravana, mind. Everybody's property is my property. You know, that is mind, that is not intelligence. Vibhishana, good and bad. Even if your brother is, if he is bad, you leave him. That is buddhi. Yes or no? Prahlada's father was bad fellow. So Prahlada did not listen to the father. That is buddhi. And then Hanumanji is the self, the soul, pure soul. This is the all self. This is Rama. Rama. Okay. So, say Kumbhakarna, Ravana, Vibhishana, Hanuman, Sri Ram. Tamoguna, Rajoguna, Satvika, Shuddha Satvika, Nirguna. Ram is Nirguna. Prithvi Tattva, Apo Tattva, Agni Tattva, Buddhi is Agni. You know, Vayu Tattva. Hanuman is Vayu Tattva. Sri Ram is Akasha Tattva. Nirguna everywhere. Again say, body, mind, intelligence, self, all that is. Tamo, Rajo, Sattva, Shuddha Sattva, Nirguna. Kumbhakarna, Ravana, Vibhishana, Hanuman, Sri Ram. This is bhukti. You know bhukti. This is rakti. This is yukti. This is shakti. This is mukti. Say bhukti, rakti, yukti, shakti, mukti. Physical body, bhukti. Mind, rakti, manoranjan. With buddhi, yukti. Atma, shakti. Sarvatma, mukti. ठीक है ना? In Hindi, tan, man, buddhi, atma, sarvatma. Right? Prithvi tattva, apo tattva, agni tattva, vayu tattva, akasha tattva. Okay? To see your body, what do? Can I see my nose now? What should I do? Mirror. Yeah. You want a mirror to see your body. If you want to see your mind, the mirror will show the mind. Then what should you do? Mind. Close the eyes. Meditation, you remove the mind, yeah? To see the mind, I want to know whether I like rasgulla or not. What should I do? My mind, I don't know whether my mind wants rasgulla or not. Eat. No, I don't want Rasgulla. So you should do karma to understand your mind. Without karma, you cannot understand your mind. The karma, whatever actions you do, I want to make friendship with Rajan. I go to him. I don't, then when I go to him, I know I don't like this man. Oh, I like this man. I will go every day. How do I know I like this man? I have to make him. I have to go to his house first. That is karma. Through actions, through karma, through deeds, you will understand the contours of your mind. Through the mirror, you see the contours of your body. Through your actions. Do you like meditation or not? How will you know? You do meditation. Then you will know. So, to understand your mind, you must, to see the contours of your mind, you must do karma. Intelligence. Swamiji, are you intelligent? Are you intelligent? How do you know? Have you seen your intelligence? By the actions, you understand your mind. Actions is karma. But how do you know your intelligence? You cannot see your intelligence. You can see your body through the mirror. You can see your mind through your actions. But your intelligence, your guru has to tell you. A person who is more intelligent than you can only tell you where you are in the scale of A to Z in intelligence. The guru comes. See, the batsman says, I am not out. Who will say? Umpire. The batsman says, he will never agree that he is out. Yes or no? But the umpire says, out. So who tells you out? Guru. Who is the guru? Who has got more expertise than you? Who has got more experience than you? In your experience, in your expertise, you think you are intelligent. But in your guru's expertise, he says, no, Baba, Abhi, you have to jack up yourself. No, you are perfect. If you are perfect, he will say, you are perfect. If you are not perfect, he will say, no. So you cannot know your own perfections or imperfections. Yes or no? Many times, perfect people think that they are imperfect. And all the time, imperfect people think that they are perfect. But a guru says, you are perfect, yeah. You are great, yeah. You are a master, yeah. Because he knows. Body, you need a mirror. For mind, you need your actions in your day-to-day life. For intelligence, you have to need an expert. You need an expert in the field. I am a bowler. Who will judge whether I am an intelligent bowler or not? Kapil Dev should come. Isn't it? Can Rajan find out whether I am a good bowler? I am a better bowler than that man. And a better batsman. Okay. I want somebody better than me to tell, no, you are bowling wrong. This finger is wrong. Must be. Yes or no? Then Atma. Where will you see Atma? For body, you require a mirror. For mind, you require your actions. For buddhi, you have to go to your expert. For Atma, where will you see? Atma. Hey, I am not this physical body. I am astral body. I am not this astral body. I am causal body. I am not this causal body. I am supra-causal body. I am not this supra-causal body. I am everything. Where will you see all these things? Who will show you? Mirror will show you? Your day-to-day actions will show you? Your guru will show you? No. Meditation. Understand? And Sarvatma, there is no question of showing. Everything is everything. So again, please say loudly. Body, mind, intelligence, soul, all that is. Tan, man, buddhi, atma, sarvatma. Kumbhakarna, Ravan, Vibhishan, Hanuman, Sri Ram. Tamogun, Rajogun, Satvik, Shuddha Satvik, Nirgun. Prithvi Tattva, Apo Tattva, Agni Tattva, Vayu Tattva, Akasha Tattva. Bhukti, Rakti, Yukti, Shakti, Mukti. We always say, hey, be careful. Shakti is energy. Don't lose energy. Hey, be careful. Hey, be careful. Hey, be careful. Be careful. No. This is Shakti. Shakti comes from meditation. If you are low in energy, you will fall ill. If you are high in energy, you can dance for 100 years. Continuously on the stage. You can dance for 100 years continuously on the stage. Vayu Tattva is breath. This is Atma. This is Vayu Tattva. So when you observe the breathing, you get Atma Shakti. Understand? When you observe the breathing, when you are like Hanuman, Vayu Putra, Pavana Putra, you get Atma Shakti. Get my point? So this is spiritual science for you.